What if I told you most of the anger you feel is aimed at no one? Imagine shouting, raging, ready to explode, only to realize there was never anyone there. This is one of the most powerful Zen stories ever told. Simple, but quietly devastating. A story about anger, ego, and the illusion of other people. A man was rowing his boat across a calm river at dawn. The mist was thick. Suddenly, another boat drifted straight toward him. "Hey, watch where you're going," he shouted.
Hey, you!
No response. The boat kept coming closer, closer. His irritation rose. "Are you blind? Turn away," he yelled. Still nothing. Now furious, he stood up, ready to curse the other person, when the boats collided. He turned to face his enemy. But the boat was empty. No one was there. In that moment, his anger disappeared. Later, a Zen master shared this. If someone insults you and you become angry, it is because you believe there is someone to blame. But what if, like the empty boat, there is no one there? What if people act from their own pain, their own conditioning, their own storms? When someone cuts you off in traffic, when someone speaks harshly, when someone misunderstands you, you think, they are doing this to me. But are they, or are they simply drifting, like an empty boat? Zen teaches, your anger does not come from others. It comes from your attachment to a self that feels attacked. Without that self, who is there to be angry? The world is full of empty boats, but we keep filling them with stories. They disrespected me. They hurt me. They shouldn't have done that. And so, we suffer. But the moment you see clearly, truly see, there is no enemy. Only causes and conditions moving through life, like boats in the mist. Next time anger rises, pause. Ask yourself, am I yelling at someone or at an empty boat? And in that pause, you may find something rare, freedom. If this story made you pause, even for a moment, subscribe for more Zen stories that quietly change the way you see the world. And watch the next story, because sometimes one insight is all it takes.